for perfect use is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to bring in photo ID at check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.